at that. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at that pork. And look at that barbecue, right? That is nice. Grilling on his own country barbecue tabletop right here. Look at that. Hear that sizzle? Man, that's something right there. Tell you what, tabletop right here. Look at that. You know I love these tabletop grills. And grilling pretty good, don't you think? And I got that Kingsford Professional Briquettes, burnt hotter. I don't know if you could tell, but I did get some more in there. And what makes it good about this one is that when you're ready, all you gotta do is just pull it out just like that, and you're done. Load up your briquettes, your lump, whatever you're doing, pull out, pull back in, that's it. Look at that. All right, we're almost there. We're getting there. 500 in there, 502. Man, this pork is done. Yeah. As you can see, I did put some sausage in there. Yeah. But no sausage there. There you go. Keep flipping on me. There's that 500 up in here. Man, tell you what, I'm loving this tabletop right here. Look at that. Yeah. Grilling, man. This is what it's all about. Taking it easy on a Sunday, just grilling. Gonna let the sausage go for a little more. And then see the end of it. Look. Old Country Barbecue Pits. Alright. Grilling on the tabletop Old Country Barbecue Pits. That pork. Tell you what. Gave a nice color to it. A nice color. Not dry at all, moist. I love that pork. Man, this was a good cook. An easy cook, fun cook. As you can see, the tabletop, it's pretty good. So if you're looking for a good tabletop, that, I'll tell you, it's not that heavy at all. Not like some of them other tabletops that I have for. They get pretty heavy, like the Rambler. That sucker's pretty heavy, man. I think it weighs like 57 pounds. So this one is real good if it's just cooking for you or maybe 2 other people, 3, 4. It'll do the job. Take you camping. It's legit. It's legit. Well, hopefully you like this video and like this grilling. Cause everyone loves grilling, man. Just kicking back, just grill. So go out there, even if you don't got this grill, go out there, grill up whatever meat you want. Enjoy your time. Enjoy it with your friends, your family, or by yourself. As always, folks, till the next one, smoke on, everyone.